Can you hear me and see me clearly? Let me know, then I will start. Yes, good morning to all of you. So let's continue. As you can see, today I will be taking your English grammar class, and the chapter I will be taking, that is chapter number 2, questions and statements. Okay. Yeah, very good morning to all of you. Very good morning. So today all of you open the chapter number 2, questions and statements from your grammar book. Open page number 3. Okay. Open page number 3, all of you. So first, let's understand what is questions and what is statement. In the examples in your book, you can see that, let's see, I'm just taking the examples from here, that what is your name? What is your name? By this sentence, we can see that this sentence is asking something to you, right? What is your name? This sentence is asking something to you. So that's why this will called a question sentence. Understood, all of you? So the sentences that ask something to us, so those sentences are called question sentence, right? And a question sentence will always take a question mark with it. Clear, all of you? A question statement, a question sentence will always, yes, understood? So a question sentence will always take a question mark with it. So the sentences that ask something to us, those are called question sentence. And another example, let's see, if I give answer to this question like, my name is Suchorita. If I am giving answer to this question that my name is Suchorita, so in that way this sentence will call a statement, because this is giving answer, or the sentences that only simply say something, those sentences are called statement. Clear? So the sentences that simply state something or say something to us, those sentences are called statements. And here you can see, this is my name is Suchorita. This is the answer of this question, and this is simply state something to us that my name is Suchorita. So in that way, the sentences that simply state something to us, those are called statement. And a statement will always take a full stop. Question, Muhyan, question, as I have told you that the sentences that ask something to us, a question to you, the sentence that asks something to you to ask, those are called question sentence. And question sentence will always take a question mark, and the statement will always take a full stop. Okay, understood, all of you? Any problem? So now can we proceed towards the exercises? So I hope all of you have understood what is question and what is statement. So can we proceed towards the exercises? Yeah. So I am erasing the board. all of you will try to give me answers, okay? Because if you have understood the chapter, you can answer that. I will just write the answer, okay? So let's do this. Number 1. In winter, many birds come to this lake. In winter, many birds come to this lake. This is a question. This will take a question or full stop. Devdeep, is this asking something to you? Yes, Sritama right, Obhirup right, Rishabh right. And the other ones? Yes, Minazuddin also right, Devdeep, now it's right. Yes, Mohian. So, in winter, many birds come to this lake. This is simply saying something. So, this is a statement. This will take a full stop. Aniket, yes, very good. This will take a full stop. So, number 1, this is a simple statement. So, it will take a full stop. Number 2. Can we see some cranes in the lake? This is can we see. This is asking something. So, yes, Obiru, very good. Rishabh. Yes, okay. Minazuddin, Mohan, right. Vikrant, okay. So, yeah, correct all of you that this is a question. So, a question sentence will always take a question mark. So, number 2, can we see some cranes in the lake? This is a question. Number 3, the cranes come here from Siberia. Number 3, yes, Devdeep, Mohian, Lakshmi, Rishabh, Oniket, good, Obhirup, Minazuddin. Yes, so I can see that all of you are giving good answers. Correct one, all of you. So, the cranes come here from Siberia. This is a simply saying something. So, it is a statement and it will take a full stop. Understood all of you? Yeah, number 4, correct. Now, let's see number 4. We will visit this place again in winter. We will visit this place again in winter. Yes. Vikrant, Devdeep, Rishabh, Minazuddin, Lakshmi, Mohian, very good. Aniket, Poonam. Yes. So, we can see this is a statement. We will visit this place again in winter. This is a simple statement. So, it will take a full stop. Number 4 is also full stop. Number 5. When will the winter holidays begin? When will the winter? Yes, very good. Sritama, Lakshmi, Devdeep, Minazuddin. Yeah. So, when will the winter holidays begin? This is a question sentence. So, this is asking something. When will the winter holidays begin? So, it will take a question mark. Right. Good. Number 6. Number 6. Have you ever seen a snowfall? Yes. Number 6 is also a question sentence. It is also asking something. Have you ever seen a snowfall? This will also take a question mark. Number 7. Number 7, let's see. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. So, 7, yes, very good all of you. So, yes, this is also a simple statement. This will take a full stop. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. This will take a full stop. Number 8. I will go to Shimla this year in December. I will go to Shimla this year in December. Yes. Number 8. No, Devdeep. This is not a question sentence. This is simply saying something. I will go to Shimla this year in December. This is saying simply something to us. So it is a statement. Yes, it will take a full stop. Again, number 8 is full stop. So number 8, I will go to Shimla this year in December, full stop. Number 9, will you go alone? Will you go alone? This is, yes, all of you, very good. Yes, all of you are giving quick answers and right also. Good. So, will you go alone? This is a question. So, it will take a question mark. And number 10, the last one. Where will you stay? Where will you stay? Yes, number 10 is also a question. So, it will take a question mark with it. So, clear? I am repeating once again all of these. Recheck. So, number 1. In winter, many birds come to this lake. This is a statement, so full stop. Number 2. Can we see some cranes in the lake? This is a question, so question mark. Number 3. The cranes come here from Siberia. This is a statement, so full stop. Number 4. We will visit this place again in winter. This is a statement, so again this is full stop. Number 5. When will the winter holidays begin? This is a question, so question mark. Number 6. Have you ever seen a snowfall? This is again a question, so question mark. Number 7. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. So this is a full stop because this is a statement. Number 8. I will go to Shimla this year in December. This is also full stop because statement. Number 9. Will you go alone? This is a question, so question mark. And number 10. Where will you stay? This is also question. Okay? All of you understood? Any of you have any problem? And after this, you can see this chapter is also completed. This is a very small chapter. Yeah, right. So now please all of you give your present and no one will leave. Or else you will be absent. No one will leave. অভিরূপ দত্ত, অনিকেত রে, অনুষ্কা ঘোষ। Anushka, okay. Ayush, okay. we leave, I say. Okay, let me check. Okay, I have taken your present. Yeah, let me see. Okay, Lakshmi, okay. Nazuddin, right. Aniket, your picture is not clear, dear. Okay. Obhiru. Okay, students. So, practice this chapter very well at your home, okay? And this chapter is also ended, you can see. So, practice all the chapters along with these chapters very well at your home. So, today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye, all of you. Bye.